Hello, Arctic Zone, and welcome back from your Thanksgiving break. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and enjoyed some time away, but are ready to get back to work. Probably by the time you're watching this, I'm shaking hands with Mickey and Minnie and enjoying the magic of Disney World. Hey, here's some reminders. Let's start first with your quarter project, 6th and 7th graders who are doing tackling plastic. Some things to point out. You should be onto the U phase, most of you. First, you need to create the project design map, page 3, and get it approved by an advisor. That is this page right here where you do the backwards design of what's your final product idea for tackling plastic. What 3 things do you need to do or learn about related to like waterways, plastic pollution, designing something, maybe the power standards, and then what are the steps you're going to use to get there? One thing to point out is that National Geographic defines those innovative solutions as one of the following 4 things. Organize an event or campaign with a call to action that activates others. So could you organize an event that makes others aware of plastic problems and a solution? Can you create a visual presentation that can be used to educate others, maybe here in the North Star community, here in Eau Claire, or policymakers at a local or state level? Design and build a physical model that will help something related to plastic pollution, or create a work of art. It could be a performance or a visual work of art to engage the community here, around the area, around the state, around the nation, in helping reduce plastic pollution. Once you are done with that and have that approved by an advisor, then it's time to start some research. Now, that can be power standards modules, a waterway location. What's your main location going to be for your source to sea map? Some plastic pollution research where you divide up and read different articles that are linked in Canvas about plastic pollution, where you do your individual research, where you go back to page 2 of this packet and divide those questions up. Who's responsible for what question now? Group of 2, you can narrow that down to probably like 6 to 8 questions. A group of 3, probably down to 9 to 12. So everybody's researching 3 to 4, what you consider the 3 to 4 most important questions that will help your final product idea in the end. Now, with me being gone and not being able to check things off for the power standards modules, you can do like the beginning of power standards modules where you watch the videos and take good research notes, or read the articles and websites and take good research notes. Or what you can do is kind of this whole area right here, this as a group and on your own, can be done in any order. So if you're waiting to have something checked off and I'm not around to grade that or do that, then you should do some waterway location. You should do some pollution plastic research, your individual research questions with good research notes, and so on. So be intentional, be focused, and get a lot of good research done this week for your tackling plastic stuff. Also, do not forget to be working on flex plans. Follow those action steps that you created for a flex plan. Get that flex plan right out in front of you. Doing that, same thing with any passion project work you're going to do. But the most important thing I'd like you to remember as you start this week with Ms. Schrantz is make sure you are being respectful and responsible. Respectful of others trying to work, responsible for your own learning, and remembering our expectations for behavior and learning here in the Arctic Zone. Have a great 3 days, Polars. I'll see you on Thursday, and best of luck making productive progress on your quarter project, passion projects, and flex mini projects. See you real soon.